Hey guys, Wayne here, the diesel stop. I'm down here in Houston, Texas at a place called PolyDyn, and there's going to be some interesting stuff taking place here. I got this 1,000 horse build that I'm doing, and plus I got that tan pickup that I'm going to be building, and I got somebody here very interesting that you got to meet. Carl Wayne from the diesel stop.
How you doing, Wayne? Glad to have you here in Houston. PolyDyn Performance Coatings. I'd like to show you around and show you just exactly what we do for the 5.9 Cummins.
Hi guys, I'm Carl Benton, President and owner of PolyDyn Performance Coatings in Houston, Texas. I'm here today with Wayne, and I'm going to give you a rundown on the process that we go through to achieve the finished product when we're applying PolyDyn Performance Coatings on your part or anybody's parts. We were talking about pistons a little earlier, and that's the subject we're going to discuss right now. When we get a piston in, 85% of the time we spend on the part is preparation. We have to get the part and the surfaces that we're going to treat incredibly clean so that when we apply our coatings, we don't simply have materials that lay on the surface, but we have materials that ingrain themselves in the substrate. And what this is all about is cleanliness. Clean, clean, clean. And of course you know that when it comes time to putting an engine together. The cleaner you get it put together, the better it'll be in the long run. So whether it's the top of the piston or the skirt of the piston, the first thing we do is it goes through a vapor degreaser. And that machine has the ability to rinse all the oils or solvents that may be on the parts that are put on the parts during the manufacturing process or the preservation process. After we've done that, we will degas the part so that we have driven any oils or solvents that could possibly be entrapped in the substrate of the metal. Once that's been accomplished, and we do that at a time and temperature that we purposely do not detract from base metal characteristics that are induced into the part during the manufacturing. So we don't want to change any of the hardness properties of the piston. We want to enhance those properties and make them last as long as we possibly can. So after that's happened and we've got them clean, then they'll go through a blasting process where, say, the ringland areas will be masked off so we've got a good definition, and whether we're doing the skirts or whether we're doing the tops, we utilize the appropriate media so that we can create a clean anchor pattern for the coating material that we're about to apply. Once that masking has been applied and the parts have gone to the coaters, they're put into an oven where they're brought up to a temperature so that the part has expanded, and again, we're enhancing that receptivity of the metal so that when the coating is applied, we're locking it into the substrate. We never have coating that peel off because of this preparation, precise preparation and very diligent preparation of the part itself. So once that has been accomplished, usually the skirts are coated first. They're gone through a semi-cure, then the tops are coated, and the final cure is performed. This again is a very precise and time scheduled situation so that we get the correct curing that we're trying to achieve. And again, very, very important, we do not want to change any of the base metal characteristics of the part as induced by the manufacturer. Once it's cured and we've got a finished product that looks like this, it goes back to shipping and receiving, where it's inspected and put back in the box, appropriately packaged and protected so that when it makes its way back to you or your shop, it's in perfect shape for your part of the next phase, building the engine. Here we've got our final parts for Wayne's engine. Main bearings, rod bearings. We're going to go ahead and open up the boxes, inspect everything, take the wrist pins out. We're not going to coat those, so we're going to get these all ready to go in the shop. All the parts that stay with the parts, stay in the box, stay in the box.
Hey guys, just to let you know, I'm the first in history to ever bring a camera into his place of business here.
Yeah, that's a fact, Wayne. I've never allowed anybody to see this, but that's okay. It's about time people understand how diligently we go after preparing our customers' parts and giving them value-added benefits to their racing program.
So this most definitely here, guys, is a big privilege. This will probably be the first and last time anybody gets to do this.
Well, Wayne, you're probably absolutely right, but I've been doing this 40 years, and I'm excited about kind of telling the story.